He's going to be off that clutch and on full speed, like 25, 30 feet. Throttle by that cone. So that's the only thing he has here right now if you don't like what's going on. Drag him hard. 286.05 and 21 to run a whole season. Let's see if Brooks Major can do it here today. Oh boy, we're looking at the stop line. Hey ladies, let's cheer on Caleb House. It's going to be close. Bringers, no goal. That wasn't what he was looking for. That's about as sideways as he could go. Solid run right there. All right, down the line. Let's do a track team maneuver over engineer. Boy, he's right on that cone. Looks like he did let loose over, wait for trackside. For to pull it to get these things shut down. So they do have all the safety equipment on. Oh boy, tough luck. He's going to own that distance of 161.65 to the scales, please. Bob, out to the scales. 270 ball